Strawberry and cream dorayaki is a delicious twist on traditional dorayaki. In addition to Anko, sweet red bean paste, lightly sweetened whipped cream and fresh strawberries are sandwiched between fluffy pancakes, creating a dessert that's both rich and refreshing. In a medium bowl, sift together the cake flour and baking powder and set aside. In another bowl, mix the egg, mirin, sugar, honey, and water and whisk. Add the egg mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until very smooth. If the batter is too thick, add more water, half tablespoon at a time. Lightly oil a griddle or a large non-stick frying pan using a paper towel. Heat over medium-low heat. Pour 1 tablespoon of butter from about 6 inches above the pan. The height helps the pancake spread evenly into a round shape. Cook until many bubbles appear on the surface and flip and cook the other side for about 1 minute. Repeat with the remaining batter to make about 10 pancakes and let cool. While the pancakes are cooling, prepare the fillings. Slice the strawberries. Whip the heavy cream with sugar in a medium bowl until stiff peaks form. Transfer to a piping bag to make it easier to fill the pancakes. To assemble the dorayaki, spread Anko red bean paste onto the pancake. Pipe the whipped cream on top. Arrange sliced strawberries over the cream. Then sandwich with another pancake. It's the perfect spring treat with a lovely balance of creamy, fruity, and sweet flavors in every bite. Hope you try it.
美味しい。美味しいね。